responsibility to make the world a better place for all, and active mobilization for development, skills and experience. She holds the Bachelor of Arts in Public Administration and Management from Bagwere University and a postgraduate diploma in Financial Management from Uganda Management Institute. Mrs. Achan has worked as a District Registration Officer, National Identification and Registration Authority, that is NIRA. She worked as a Relationship Manager with Housing Finance Bank from 2011 to 2015, where she was awarded Best Performer of the Year 2011. She was Research Field Manager, United States Department, Fulbright Program from March 2009 to 2015. Ms. Achan has been repeatedly commended by her supervisors and customers for excellent customer services, teamwork and innovation. In recognition of her distinctive service, Zoe Life Theological College USA African Campus has awarded Judith Peace Achan an honorary doctorate in humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate our own.
College USA Africa, we are here to confer degree Doctor of Humanity upon Honorable Judith Peace. In the name of the Father, Son and the Holy Spirit. From today you will be known and addressed as Honorable Dr. Judith Peace, with all rights and privileges. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Honorable Dr. Judith Peace.
Judith Peace worked so tirelessly to make sure this happens. And want to send our condolences and sympathy to the entire family. This week, 2 days ago, her biological sister, who was pregnant, fell from a motorcycle and died with an unborn baby. So she left the funeral to come. So our sympathy to you.
Next is Honorable Abdi Fadil Chisos Chemuswe.